Hello and welcome back. Vintage drills. Yes, I've been buying some more vintage drills. Ooh, it's exciting. Well, it's exciting for me anyway. Look at that. That's a beauty. This has come all the way from the US of the A again. That's a lovely box. What I could use that for. So it's not full of spiders. Doesn't look like it is. Retro. My favourite. Blab anyway. There she is. Look at that. A Skill Home Shop 1/4 inch drill. Ain't she a beauty? It feels good in the hand, that. It's a good switch. Obviously it's got a wonky end on it. I love the earth on them, that's awesome, like it's an afterthought. So I'll sort that out and plug it in. Let's get to the next one. What's in there? Ah, a wire wheel, that's handy. Buffing wheel. Some kind of adapter. Unknown. It's got everything in here. Anyway, let's move on. Let's see what we got next. I've no idea. Boxes just seem to turn up at the doorstep. Not quite as beautifully packaged as the last one. What have we got? Come on. Oh yes. It's a little DeSoto. With no chuck. I don't remember buying it with no chuck. Chuck. There we go. Mystery solved. It's handsome, that, isn't it, by the way? I think the guys took it apart so we could get it in the box. It came with a special right hand drilling attachment. How is that for unusual? It's well engineered. In fact, it's beautifully engineered. It's even got a grease nipple. Hey, they don't make things like this anymore, do they? Wow, bloody hell. Anyway, there is a slight problem with this one. It's 50 volts DC. Yeah, I know, what a strange thing. 50 volts DC, so I don't know. I might be to rig it up to a car battery. I certainly can't plug it into the mains. Look at the end on that. That's an oddball. Which is a beauty, all the same. Let's have a look at the switch. What it sounds like. Oh, not as good as the last one. Right. On with the next one. One more, and that's it then. This is another one from across the pond. At this rate, you guys won't have any drills left in your country. I can sell you them back. This one's definitely a fixer-upper. Definitely. And nothing left in there. I thought, look at that. Look at the styling on that. Missing its lead. Will it run? Who knows? That is absolutely gorgeous. Right, what I'll do now, have a little bit of a mess around. We do the mess around. I'm going to mess around and see if we get any life out of these things. Right, do the mess around. Oh, you guys are in for a treat today. You don't know how lucky you are. I bloody spoil you, I do. I rigged it up in its carriage and I put a grinding wheel in there. How about that? How's that for exciting? Hello, let's move on. I've got the Thor up and running. All the wires were missing inside. I think the guy had taken the wires out to stop people using it and blowing themselves up. Well, it's not going to stop me. It's sheer beauty. Anyway, you get the idea. Chances are I should have picked a bloody sharper bit. Oh, there you go, there you go. Right, let's move on to the last one. I'm happy with that, I really like that. And it runs like a dream. And wasted on my bloody brass as well. Now I'm a kind of plug it in and see what happens kind of guy. This is my 12 volt supply. It's not quite 50 volt, which the drill is asking for. London. Anyway, it's a strange one. 50 volt DC angle drill. Very strange. I managed to get it working though. Obviously not under full power, but at least you get to see it working. Looks like it's sadly been used. I bet it's been sat in a storeroom somewhere for bloody 50 years. It wouldn't surprise me. I suppose they couldn't find a bloody use for it. If anybody could tell me what it was used for, such a strange voltage, I'm very pleased to know. So there you go. That's my vintage drill collection again. So thanks for viewing and come back again. Thank you. And good night.